Today's experiment is too much or not enough. From your kit, you're going to need your 3 Petri dishes, yellow measuring spoon, bag of urea, and your beaker. From home, you'll need water, sugar, and salt. Using your beaker, measure 10 milliliters of water into each Petri dish. Two and 3. Now, using the large measuring spoon, measure 1 level spoonful of salt and put that into Petri dish number 1. Stir it until the salt dissolves. In Petri dish number 2, add 1 large level spoonful of your sugar and stir that until it dissolves. In Petri dish number 3, add 1 level spoonful of your urea. And stir that until it dissolves. Continue doing this, making sure that it's 1 level spoonful of salt in Petri dish number 1, sugar into Petri dish number 2, and urea into Petri dish number 3. And continue doing this until the solutions dissolve no more. That is what we call a saturated solution.